National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 706, effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight
2 a.m.?
Thursday.
Holy crap.
This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Dallas, Ellis, Kaufman, Rockwall, and Tarrant.
Yep, there we are.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
Is the actual page up now? No.
stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Dang.
Now let's...
Ah.